Hey now, if you took all 100 trades using this PSAR MACD crossover strategy, you would have made more money than Elon Musk. We are Traders Landing. In this video, I'm going to explain the Parabolic SAR MACD crossover strategy, show some entry examples, test it 100 times, and analyze the results. These are the indicators we're going to use: the standard Parabolic SAR and the MACD. For entries for a short, we're going to wait for the MACD to cross over above the zero line and a Parabolic SAR indicating a short. This would be our entry candle. We're going to put our stop loss before the high and target 2 to 1. Here is another short setup. Right here, the MACD crosses down. On this candle, we have a Parabolic SAR. So we're going to enter here, put our stop before the high, and target 2 to 1. Now for a long setup, we have a cross up here. So this would be our entry candle, a PSAR, put the stop below the low, and target 2 to 1. And we have another entry here. The cross up with the PSAR. And target 2 to 1. Now let's get into our test. Let's see how this strategy did. Over 100 trades, we had 59 losers, 41 winners, with a winning percentage of 41%. On the 1 hour time frame, it took exactly 365 days to get those 100 trades. Most wins in a row 3, most losses in a row 7. Gain on the account would have been 23%. The equity curve on this is interesting. There's a huge winning streak followed by a nice drawdown, and then it goes back up again, which would indicate to me I would want to test this on a larger data set before I started actually trading this. Significant amount of more data, as a matter of fact, but the results seem somewhat promising as of right now. For our friend Mr. Musk, whose estimated net worth is $151 billion, if you would have had a $700 million account size, risking 1% per trade, you would have, and you took these 100 trades, you would have came out with $161 billion, bettering Mr. Musk. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, turn on notifications, and please let me know if you have any questions, remarks, or concerns in the comment section below. Bye for now.